Hello guys, and welcome back to XanTech. Today we're going to be talking about shortcuts. I don't mean cutting across the park to get to your friend's house. I mean Windows shortcuts. There's a whole load of them, and I bet you don't know all of them. I know I didn't. So to save your mouse a few clicks, let's get into those keyboard shortcuts. Here we go.
If you're browsing the web and you want to open up a new browser window, just press Ctrl N. So now that you know how to open up a new window, you need to know how to close it. And that is Ctrl W. Nice and easy. If you want to refresh the current web page that you're on, then you press, or even press, not press, then you press Ctrl plus R, and that will refresh your current web page. Need to step away, get yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and you don't want your computer idling away, press Ctrl Shift plus S, and that will put your PC into sleep mode. Next, if you want the snipping tool to take a quick screenshot, then you press Windows key Shift plus S. Pressing the Windows key plus Tab will open up a new window for you. And then if you want to switch between those windows, it is Alt Tab. Next, if you want to search for specific words or phrases within your browser, then you press Ctrl plus F. This will open up this nice little search box. Next, we have Alt plus F4. If you're using any program and you press Alt F4, it will immediately shut that down and take you to your desktop. If you're already on your desktop, it will bring up the shutdown Windows pop-up box. Pressing the Windows key plus full stop or period or dot, however you want to call it, opens up the emojis menu. Now, if you're in a Windows WordPad or Notepad or Word, and you want to delete entire words instead of just letters, press Ctrl plus backspace. If you have multiple tabs open up in your browser, you can quickly switch between them by by pressing Ctrl Tab. If you accidentally closed one of your browser pages and you want to get back to your last viewed page, then you press Ctrl Shift plus T. Need to get to your Windows settings quickly? Then Windows key plus I. Here's a really cool one. Pressing the Windows key plus any of your arrow keys up, down, left or right will immediately let you manipulate the position of your currently open window, putting up to the bottom, maximizing it, minimizing it, snapping it to the left or the right. Need to open up a quick private browsing session? That's simple. Control, Shift and N.
Now let's say you're at work and you want to pop away, go to the toilet, get yourself a cup of coffee or something, but you don't want anybody snooping at your computer. Then you press the Windows key plus L. That will lock your computer until you return. Well, there you go guys. That was a quick selection of a few of my favorite Windows shortcuts. If I missed any, or if there's any others that you like, feel free to share them down in the comments below. Maybe I find out something new as well to try out. Until next week, take care.